Guys, you know that adjudicating complex subcontractor and supplier quotes takes hours of mind-numbing data entry. Today, I'm showing you a desktop tool that reduces that to seconds using AI. But first things first, security. To use this tool, you need your own API key from Google AI Studio. You paste it right here in the settings. It is stored locally on your machine. I have zero access to it, and your sensitive commercial data never touches a third-party developer server. Let's look at the interface. It's built for speed. Front and center is your drop zone. Down at the bottom, we have our basic controls: clear and compare. You'll notice there aren't many buttons right now. That's because our advanced export and dashboard tools stay hidden until we actually have data to analyze. Let's load up some quotes, and the tool will cross-reference them seamlessly. You can see our PDF and Excel files are locked and loaded. Next, we select our AI engine. We'll pick our Gemini model from the drop-down and hit compare. While it spins, the AI is reading the tables, standardizing the text, and doing the heavy commercial math. And there it is, a complete apples-to-apples adjudication. Let's break down the grid. First, the feature description. The AI normalizes the chaos. If one guy quotes 114 brick and the other quotes 110 million masonry, it aligns them perfectly into one standardized line item. Next, we have our apples-to-apples vendor columns, showing you the exact quantities and unit rates side by side. Then the variance. We get both the absolute rand value and the percentage difference, instantly highlighting where your financial risks and savings are. But we don't stop at the grid. Below the table, the AI generates a complete commercial adjudication dashboard. First, the green recommendation card. This is your bottom line commercial advice, who to award to and why, based on price and completeness. Next, the red risk alert. This is crucial. The AI acts as your senior QS, flagging scope gaps, assumptions, or front-loaded rates that could lead to nasty variations down the line. Then we have the purple PM insights. Here, the AI gives strategic negotiation points and highlights technical debts. And finally, the amber exclusions register. If a contractor slips in noise items, like pricing 50 kilograms of cement inside a lintel quote, the AI strips it out of the main comparison and isolates it here, ensuring your baseline totals remain strictly apples to apples. Once you're done, our hidden action buttons appear. You can save this to your database to track historical pricing, or push the whole structured matrix straight out to a multi-sheet Excel workbook for your client reports. Stop doing data entry and start doing commercial management.